In the heart of an untamed wilderness, a radical dream is taking shape. What you are about to witness defies modern construction and unveils what one person can achieve with only the land and their will. A forgotten knowledge is being brought back to life, piece by piece. The plan is audacious, the outcome, a transformative secret. The forest provides the canvas and the materials. Each piece of bamboo is chosen with purpose, selected for its strength. Here, patience is the most essential tool. A deep understanding of the natural world guides every decision. The raw strength of the jungle must be met with equal resolve. The earth itself is prepared to accept the foundation. One by one, the pillars of a new world are driven into the soil. Slowly, an ambitious vision begins to rise from the forest floor. The skeleton of a dream takes form, held together by ingenuity and balance. A moment of quiet satisfaction, the structure holds true. Confidence in the craft, testing the strength of her own creation. The work is relentless, demanding both strength and precision. Each beam laid is a step closer to turning vision into reality. The structure grows, a testament to tireless effort. And from the heart of the wilderness, a sanctuary emerges. The journey is far from over. A new chapter begins. The challenge escalates as the structure reaches for the sky. Now, two minds and four hands work in silent harmony. The finer details are secured, each connection vital to the whole. Even in difficult positions, the work continues with focus. But the wild is unpredictable. A sudden setback threatens everything. Resilience in the face of failure. The materials for the next stage are gathered. A moment of reflection, planning the recovery. With renewed determination, the roof begins to take shape once more. Slowly, carefully, a protective layer is painstakingly installed. Perseverance turns the tide. The structure is reborn, stronger. Exhaustion and satisfaction. A crucial milestone is reached. A careful inspection ensures the shelter will stand against the elements. The final touches are applied with an artist's care. The last piece presents a final challenge of patience. Victory, the shelter is complete, a triumph of will. Amidst the labor, a reminder of the delicate beauty of this wild place. The final fastenings, securing a legacy built by hand. A final check, ensuring perfection in the details. Clearing away the remnants of the struggle, revealing the art beneath. A creation in perfect harmony with its surroundings. The next phase of the vision begins to unfold. The roof, a shield against the coming rains, is carefully laid. Working high above the ground, there's no room for error. A mark of origin, a testament to the resources of this land. With the mountains as a witness, the shelter grows. Here, builder and nature are intertwined. Ancient techniques are used to bind the structure together. The work is demanding, a true test of physical and mental fortitude. Each panel is meticulously placed, a puzzle coming together. Slowly, the patchwork of the roof is completed. This simple knot is the secret to the roof's incredible strength. The task is done. The shelter stands ready. From a distance, it seems as if it has always been here. A simple, yet powerful statement of self-reliance. A new landmark in a hidden corner of the world. A moment to admire the handiwork. But there is more to be done. The vision is not yet complete. Careful measurement ensures there is no waste. The raw materials are sorted, preparing for the next creation. Each piece is skillfully shaped for its unique purpose. Now, the focus shifts from shelter to artistry. Thin strips of bamboo become the threads of a new design. An intricate pattern emerges, woven by skilled hands. This is a technique passed down through generations. Layer upon layer, the woven panel gains strength and beauty. More materials are prepared for a larger, more complex design. Different colors and textures are woven together into a mosaic of wood. The finished panel, a perfect fusion of function and art. A wall now stands where there was only open air. The frame for the main structure is prepared. Every piece is cut to exact specifications. The components of the house are laid out, ready for assembly. The woven walls are carefully fitted into the frame. With incredible speed, the house begins to take its final form. A home built from the gifts of the forest. The intricate weave of the walls tells its own story. Each panel is secured, ensuring the home is sturdy and safe. The final pieces of the puzzle are put into place. A breathtaking result, born of hard work and a powerful vision. A harmonious blend of natural textures and colors. Now, the earth itself will become part of the walls. A fusion of techniques, combining the strength of bamboo with the insulation of earth. The builder returns to the source, selecting the perfect pieces for the framework. The rhythmic work of preparing the bamboo continues. This is a craft that demands unwavering focus. Precision is key. Every measurement must be perfect. The intricate lattice of the walls is assembled. The joinery is a marvel of engineering, without nails or screws. A different style of wall is added, showcasing a variety of skills. The earth is moved, preparing a new foundation. The ground yields to the patient, steady work. A space is carved out for the next part of the structure. The raw power required for this work is immense. Each cut is a display of confidence and skill. The bamboo is split, revealing its inner strength. A new pillar is brought to its final resting place. It is carefully guided into the earth and secured by hand, becoming a permanent part of the landscape. The finished home, a masterpiece of natural architecture. A structure that seems to breathe with the forest around it. The vision continues to expand. The homestead is growing. A new structure rises, connecting to the first. The work is now at a greater height, requiring courage and balance. A floor is laid, creating a second story in this wild domain. The materials must be carried through the rugged terrain. The roofing process begins again, a familiar, difficult dance. High above the ground, each movement is deliberate and careful. The growing compound stands as a beacon of self-sufficiency. The familiar sound of the blade shaping the wood. The creation of the woven walls begins anew. The preparation is meticulous. Each strip of bamboo is prepared to be woven into the whole. The weaving begins, an ancient and beautiful art form. The pattern takes shape, strong and intricate. It is a process that cannot be rushed. The finished panels are installed, enclosing the new space. The home expands, room by room. The walls rise, a testament to the versatility of bamboo. Piece by piece, the exterior is completed. The builder can finally rest and admire the fruits of her labor. The walls of the new structure are now being put in place. The interlocking design of the bamboo provides incredible stability. The lower sections are carefully filled in. Even when the work is challenging, perseverance wins the day. The details of the wall show the incredible craftsmanship involved. The walls are secured to the frame. Each strike of the hammer is precise and effective. The structure stands firm and secure. The towering wall of bamboo is an impressive sight. The addition of the roof completes the new building. The small house has now grown into a compound. A simple yet elegant home, built in harmony with nature. But the work is not over. Now, a bridge must be built. Heavy bamboo logs are moved into place to span the small ravine. The first crossing is a success. The foundation of the bridge is sound. The supports for the bridge are anchored deep in the earth. Each post is secured, one at a time. The meticulous process ensures the bridge will be safe. The structure is lashed together with natural cordage. The final result, a complete homestead, connected by a handmade bridge. The final touches are being added to the bridge's railings. The construction site is a flurry of organized activity. Now begins the most intricate part of the bridge, the deck. The bamboo is carefully shaped to form the crosspieces. The raw material is expertly transformed. Thin, flexible strips of bamboo are prepared for weaving. With incredible dexterity, a strong mat is woven for the bridge's surface. The first section of the decking is complete. The support frame for the decking is cut to size. The frame is laid out, ready for the woven mat. The two houses now stand as sister structures, overlooking the landscape. The finished decking is carried to the bridge. It is carefully unrolled onto the bridge's frame. The mat is secured to the bridge. A quick test proves the bridge is strong and stable. The railings are the final piece of the puzzle. A final inspection ensures every detail is perfect. The last adjustments are made. The bridge is now complete and ready for use. A beautiful and functional addition to this incredible homestead. The work continues, reinforcing the existing structures. The home is a living structure, always being improved and maintained. The bridge provides a vital link to the surrounding area. It allows for easier transport of materials for future projects. A new project begins. The ground is prepared. The earth is cleared for a new foundation. The ground is leveled in preparation for a new fence. The materials are gathered and organized. The familiar process of cutting the bamboo begins once more. Each piece is cut with care and precision. The posts for the fence are lined up, ready for installation. A small companion watches as the work unfolds. The cross beams are prepared. The first part of the fence frame is erected. Holes are dug for the support posts. The post is set and secured in the ground. The earth is tamped down to ensure a solid footing. The process is repeated for each post. Small details are attended to with care. The final post is secured. Now, an elaborate canopy will be added to the compound. The builder must climb the structure to begin the new addition. From this vantage point, she can construct the canopy's frame. The canopy begins to extend out from the existing roofline. More bamboo is prepared for the canopy's structure. The rafters for the canopy are carefully laid in place. The pieces are lashed together securely. The frame of the canopy is now complete. Now, for the roof itself, it will be made of leaves from the forest. The large leaves are layered, creating a waterproof thatch. This natural roofing material is both beautiful and effective. The canopy is complete, adding shade and beauty to the home. The finished compound is a breathtaking sight. A moment of peace and reflection after so much hard work. There's always more to be done in this evolving paradise. The work of maintaining this home is a constant, joyful task. The quiet rhythm of life in the forest. The compound is a living testament to what is possible. Every part of this home was given by the forest. A truly magnificent achievement of natural building. The final project, a fence to enclose the property. The fence begins to take shape, post by post. The posts are hammered into place, securing the fence line. The fence grows longer, section by section. The final section is carefully fitted into place. Now, a gate is needed to complete the fence. The materials for the gate are prepared. The gate is constructed with the same care as the houses. The final pieces are trimmed and shaped. The gate is assembled with hammer and nails. Now to hang the finished gate. It is carefully fitted to the gate posts. The fence and gate are complete. A beautiful addition to the homestead. More fence sections are built. The gate posts are driven deep into the ground. The gate is carefully hung on its new posts. The completed entryway is both beautiful and functional. The final task is to clean up the worksite. The final adjustments are made to the gate. The fence is inspected one last time. A quiet moment to appreciate the finished work. The final view of this incredible, handmade world. A very special thank you to the owner of the Al Thufnang for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.